So this is the 7 new puppies. The 7 new puppies. They are not scared anymore. They are outside from their boxes, from the boxes. And they are already eating. Hey? This is the most brave one, the brown. 7 puppies. 7 new puppies. Neighbors with Stella's family. We already make this area much better with the little stones. It keeps everything so clean. And this is Stella's family. You see how much better the area is now? So much better. I'm coming. They are waiting for me to eat. They are waiting for me to eat. I hope we will find homes for all these beautiful, lovely dogs. So 7 more new puppies in the shelter. 7 more. If you want to adopt any of them, you are welcome in the shelter. Have a small holiday in my city. Visit my shelter every day. And let the right dog choose you.